All right, welcome back guys. So today what we're going to talk about is how to add money onto your PayPal, or how to add money into your PayPal account or your PayPal balance. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the PayPal app, it's a pretty popular one. It's been around for a very long time. If you don't have it, just click the description. I'll try to put a download link there, but you can just download it in the App Store or Google Play. It's this one right here with a double P. It's like a blue background with a white double P. So we'll go ahead and open that. All right, so here we are on the home screen right now, and there's a couple of different ways you can add money into your PayPal balance or onto your PayPal app. So I'll go through a couple of different ones. The easiest one is to click on your PayPal balance here, and once you've clicked on that, then you get the options at the bottom: add money or transfer money. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on add money. So there's two different functions. You can add cash. So if you have green physical cash that you would like to add into there, you click on the top one. If you'd like to do a money transfer from your bank account or your credit card account, you click on the second option. So we'll go ahead and click on the add cash first. Go ahead and unlock your account. Okay, so here we are. So if you have green physical cash you'd like to add into your PayPal account, you can go to these various stores here. Looks like there's about maybe 10 or 15 different stores: Walmart, CVS, 7-Eleven. These are all large national chain stores. So basically what happens is you just choose which store you would like to go to, and then once you've chosen that, then you can choose how much you would like to add in. We'll click on 7-Eleven. They charge $3.95. Walmart's $3. Actually, all of these are $3.95 except for Walmart, which is $3. So we'll click on Walmart. All right, so once you've clicked in there, then you can choose generate code, and then with that code and your cash, you're going to bring that to Walmart, let them know you're going to add into your PayPal at their customer service center, and then they will be able to accept the cash, and with that code they'll add it into your PayPal account. So that is again for physical cash. Just keep in mind that they charge a fee, $3 to $3.95 to do this. Okay, here we are back at the PayPal balance, and we'll click add money, and then we've already done add cash, so we'll add from your bank, and then you just choose how much you would like to add into your PayPal account, and then click next, and then you can choose which bank you would like to use. I only have one bank attached to my PayPal account, so it's only giving me this one option. And then once you've confirmed that that's the bank that you want to transfer from into your PayPal balance, then you would click this blue button here at the bottom, add to your balance. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to add money into my PayPal, but it's pretty easy. You just click there and then it should go through. It's telling you that it can take up to 5 business days if you're going to be transferring from your bank account. So yeah, it can take up to 5 business days. I believe it only takes 1 or 2 business days, but just be aware of that. If you need to pay for something immediately, then this may not be the best way to transfer money into your PayPal balance. All right, so here we are back on the home screen, and then there is another way you can add money into your PayPal balance, and where that is right here on the bottom right where it says more. Click there. So as you can see right here on this menu, there is add cash function. So click right here. And as you can see, this is an identical function to the one we looked at previously. It's just a different way to find it inside the PayPal balance app. So same thing, just follow the prompts, choose which store you want. And this is for transferring green physical cash into your PayPal account. So there you have it. That is how to add funds or add money into your PayPal balance on your app. Hopefully it was useful to you. If so, click thumbs up. Hopefully you subscribe. Be sure to check the description. I'm going to put a little bit more information in there, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.